One of my friends and mentors, Mike Kim, shared once with me that marketing is not about closing a deal, but it's about opening a relationship. And I believe sales is exactly the same, and business in general is the same. Because at the end of the day, companies will go and companies will disappear, people will move around, but at the end of the day, what will remain is people and how you make them feel and the relationship that you have created with them. Because this is very obvious, and you have seen many times when people change companies, clients follow those people. So people didn't really have a relationship with a company, they have a relationship with a person, right? So this idea of starting a relationship instead of closing a deal, I think this challenges a lot of people, especially in sales, when they use this language pattern and say, I need to improve my closing techniques. And I say, wait a minute, do you want to close someone? Or do you want to start a relationship with them where you serve them and you serve them for long, right? Because closing a relationship is like closing one deal, and you close that deal and you deliver what you have to deliver, and then you move on to the next client. And I believe in today's world, what will help you succeed and what will help me succeed is building a relationship with that client where over the long period of time, we serve them. In whatever phase of their development they are, we serve them and we are beside them for the long run, right? It's not like, buying toilet paper or something that people need. And even if you think about that, if you build a relationship with your clients, they would come back to you, right? And so I think there is a challenge here that we face when we think about sales, and sales like closing something. And I think this language pattern is misleading, because we don't try to close anything. We try to open a conversation. We try to open a relationship with someone. And in that relationship, we will serve them with our service and product. So I think the first step here, if you use this language pattern, I think you should remove it from your vocabulary. You shouldn't say, closing a deal, right? You should just say, serving a client. I was so close to serving them. I was so close to starting a relationship with them. We were so close to starting a partnership. We were so close. We were not so close to close them. Make sense? I think it does. And think about that. It's really a paradigm shift here. And then if more salespeople will actually take this language pattern and apply it in their day-to-day life, they will start looking at sales and marketing in a different way. They will start building relationships, opening conversations instead of closing deals. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.